Hey everybody. So I am sending Happy Mail. I have never sent Happy Mail before, so hopefully I did this right. So for this Happy Mail, I included some die cuts. These are ones I found from Amazon. There are flowers and birds and bees on them. A lemon ginger tea. These cool wooden ladybugs I found on AliExpress, and my plaid flowers. Then I included pencil crowns. Now these are the short ones. You don't usually find these in the store. I live pretty close to the Crayola factory, and they have a sale every year. So I picked these up. And then I included my fairy die cut and some crayons. Well, a space there. Crayons. And I included some die cut tags, ginger tea, some more tags. So the tags are of deer, snowflake, stars, trees, and hearts. So I included those. On the back here, I got this ribbon. I found this really cool ribbon at Walmart. It was 50 cents a roll. I actually got it right here. See? So each one was 50 cents Canadian. Oh, I thought that was pretty cool. It's very pretty. Add some color. And then I made a little sparkle pocket. So it's got little butterflies and little flowers and stuff in there. I just kept it separate. That way there won't be little pieces coming loose in the envelope. And then that's my new little bear die cut. So that's the back. And then I included some coloring pages. I love this picture. Some of them are new, some of them you might have seen before. Got this cool hummingbird. Now I just went on Google and coloring pages. And Pinterest. Pinterest has a lot of coloring pages. And this is a cool owl. Pages stick together. And look at this giraffe. Let's see if we get the whole thing in there. Isn't that cool? That was on Pinterest. And look at this cool. It's like her hair and there's flowers in it. I love it. Look at this wicked bunny. That's an awesome rabbit. This is also Pinterest. I think that was this is Pinterest too. Yeah, and the wolf's the last one. So we'll include these coloring pages. This is the first time making Happy Mail. Happy Mail. So hopefully I did it right. Hopefully they like it. And yeah. So this is a pocket letter. Happy Mail pocket letter. So yeah. There she is. So yeah. Later.